Southern Wakefield. I'm all set for you now.
1460, I just passed you. Are you, did he crash or are you all set?
If you stop to the red light, I'm out of the vehicle now.
Station IQ, 515 Alpha, I'm going to be late for roll call for the fireworks.
That's right, so what's the
600? 600? 1,000? Oh shit.
Any wheelies?
No, we don't do any wheelies today.
No, not today.
Not today. Hello, Sam.
Hello mate, you right?
All good.
It's just you're a bit quick coming around that corner there, old.
It's so bumpy and bad. I guess these guys are probably coming out here. How's it going? Hello. How's it going?
The loudest pumps.
Yeah.
That's the first thing. Second thing, it's a two-wheeler. It's not a one-wheeler.
Yeah.
That's considered reckless driving. You got your license?
Yeah. It's in the back of here.
Fine. Anything illegal in that back?
No, just tools for the bike, but that's it.
You have the M category? Yeah. Who's now, you obviously don't want a citation.
No, sorry about that.
What were you thinking?
I was just looking for an empty place to practice, that's it.
Because this is public, it's considered roadway here.
Mm-hmm.
It's public land.
Okay.
So that's like just if you're out like on the highway there.
Yeah, it's the same as the road.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And another thing, you see some cones.
Yeah, I came here when I was learning and those cones were still there and I was doing the course, so I wasn't sure if it...
Yeah, they're there because it's closed.
Okay, I wasn't sure if it was just for no cars or just bikes in general.
For both.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Close is closed. It doesn't. There's no special for bikes.
Yeah, gotcha.
Okay. Yeah. No more.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
2 wheels.
For sure.
Okay.
Yep.
For your safety too.
Yeah, no problem, no problem.
What cc is this?
125.
125.
Yeah. It's a little Honda Grom. Yeah.
Be safe, alright?
All right, you guys too. Thank you.
Take care. agora pegou. Agora vai pegar, hein? Cadê as polícias? Vixe, agora... Suspended.
Yes, sir.
So what are you doing?
I'm just taking care of some errands, and I had an appointment set up with the DOL. It's a long story. COVID happened.
Okay.
And I had my license stripped from me, and I haven't. No one's open to get a hold of everybody. I know I should be writing. I know I was.
So that brings me to the next question. If you know you're suspended, why are you speeding?
I didn't think I was really. I think I was going with the flow. I saw you the whole time.
I know, but I was doing 70. You passed me.
Right.
So speed limit is 60. Okay. So technically, if you're going to be riding with a suspended license, you probably should follow the rules of the road. Right? Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah, I do.
Do you have the registration for the bike?
I do. Okay. Get off.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you, sir.
I'll get it back, man. I mean, I'm using carpenter. I ride and I drive everywhere. Usually, but COVID happened and it's really fucking awful.
Can you take it out there for me, Ryan? Thank you, sir. Do you have insurance on the bike?
I don't.
Okay. You know they require that now, right? They used to not require that for the longest time.
I know. I'm playing with my idea. I don't have it.
Okay. All right. All right, man. Hang tight for me for just a second, okay? I'll be right back with you guys.